Hey everybody, Jason Lake with the team here at MarineMax Clearwater in the country's largest climate-controlled showroom, so you will be comfortable when you come see us to check out a boat. Today I have the opportunity to show you a 220 Dauntless from the team at Boston Whaler. This is a really cool bay boat, guys. Plenty of real estate for your friends and family to move about, whether you're on the water fishing that day or whether you guys are just hanging out at the sandbar. This boat here is powered with a V6 225 Verado. Plenty of horsepower for this 22 Dauntless to get around our Tampa market or wherever you happen to live. You can see here they've done a really nice job with this helm station here. 4 rocket launchers coming across and then more rocket launchers on top of our hard top. And again, because it's a versatile boat, we have a tow point for your friends and family to do some tubing or whatever you see fit. Beverage holders everywhere on this thing. I see a couple across the back here, 2 across our the back side of the helm seat, and then of course you'll have 2 up front as well. Oversized dual helm seat here with individual bolsters. It's nice, so if someone wants to stand and lean and someone wants to sit, you have that option, and then you have drop down armrests as well. It's extremely comfortable. You can see the dual stitching and everything that Whaler does. I tell you, when you come in and see these boats, you'll feel the difference, I promise you. Here on this boat, they've done a single 12-inch screen. You can do dual 12s on a 22-foot boat, which is incredible. You won't see that all the time. But they opted for the lockable glove box on this side, so you can put your valuables and everything in here. Our JL audio stereo system, and then our vessel view telling us what's going on with our boats and everything else. Rocker switches on these boats are incredible, guys. We go with plastic rocker switches because they don't rust in saltwater markets and they last as long as you own the boat. When you activate a switch, it'll light up blue LED lit behind it, and makes it really easy for you to know what's activated on the boat and what isn't. As we move forward, you'll see your entryway, starboard side, for our head compartment. And you'll see a pump out head in there. You'll see your ignition key in here as well. And then you'll see some battery banks. Those battery banks are gonna be for our pre-installed trolling motor panel that you'll see in the point of our bow here. So that's really nice at Whaler, because their boats are 100% foam filled. We wanna make sure to check those boxes for you so that if you opt for a trolling motor, you can get that mounted on quick, easy, and we don't have to worry about installing that panel for you. It makes it quick, get you on the water as soon as possible. JL audio speakers throughout the boat, best in the industry, hands down. But one of the famous features for Whaler is the massive oversized lounger they put forward of the helm. They refer to it as the garage, and you can see here it's extremely deep. And then you can push up to 7-foot rods going back into your head compartment here. So plenty of room for your real estate. You can see your covers for the boat are down in that storage as well. They dry mat different areas on the boat. You don't have to do that. A lot of people do that aftermarket. They do it for you right there at the Boston Whaler plant. So I implore you to come in, check out a 220 Dauntless. These boats are incredible. This one though, real quick, I must note, is optioned with the hard top. You'll see a lot of soft tops out there as well as an option. And then you can also do a bimini on this boat if you are if you have some height restrictions in your market. So options for you to still get a 220 Dauntless no matter where you live. But come out to MarineMax Clearwater, check this beautiful boat out. We'd love to show it to you. My name's Jason Lake. I'll see you on the water.